This is what we have accomplished in previous tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you another good thing about using xacro, that is the properties feature. With property feature, you can assign a nickname for a tag name. In programming, it is like creating a string type variable, where the variable's value, that string, can be changed anytime. Whenever we need to use this name, just put the variables there. I did a good job to confuse you. How about let me show you how it works. To begin, I'm going to close this simulator. Hold down the Control key on the keyboard and then hit C. Over here, this window shows there's a model file and also that xacro file. First, let's open that model URDF file. This is the code we have so far. Let me pick one part of the code as an example. If you look at this, it has a name called link_01. The other part of the script also has the name link_01. Same as here, link_01. Over here, again, link_01. We use the same name multiple times. This is the place that we can utilize the xacro's property feature. Maybe one of the reasons is later we want to change the name. Maybe change from link_01 to something else. What we need to do just to change the properties value. Now let me show you how to implement the xacro's property feature. First, I minimize this window. Go back to the URDF directory. Let's first duplicate this file. I hold down the Control key and simply drag this file to the side. As you can see, here is that duplicated file. Right-click on it, choose Rename. I name it to Properties. Click the Rename button to apply the change. Double-click to open it. As shown here, this is the script that we wrote for the links template. Let's delete some of the scripts. Highlight all of these. Hit the backspace to delete them. Actually, I don't need this as well, so I highlight it and I delete it. The reason is I can simply use a single statement by inserting a blank space followed by a /. This way, the xacro tag has only one line. We don't need that open and close tag feature. Here, we replace the micro by the keyword property. Property feature gives you an option to assign value for names. Here, the name attribute is just the name of the variable. I call it link01. A note here, there is no underline. It's just called link01. There is no parameter attribute. Instead, we use value attribute. We are going to replace all the link_1 in the script. So the value is link_01. There we go. That's all we need to change. Click on the Save button to apply the changes. And we can open the other tab, the roboticarm.urdf file. Now we're going to apply this property name to anywhere that has the link_01, such as here. I replace this by $, open and close braces, and the link 01, no underline, because this is like that variable name. Its value is link_01. I intentionally make the property's name different from its value, so we can distinguish their difference. Here I have another one, so I copy this. and then paste it here. Here is another place that can change. Right click and paste. This is another one. And here. Now I change all the link underscore 01 by the $, open brace, link 01 and then close brace. One more step that we need to take before testing the model is to include the properties.xacro here. Let me duplicate this script. I highlight it, copy, and here, paste. Change the name to properties. Make sure to include this statement. Now we are ready to test our model. Let me minimize this window. Use the up arrow to retrieve the previous use command, enter. As you can see, the model is correctly displayed. You can drag the view. We can change the slider's position to move the links. We can also click the randomize button to let RVs generate the random links positions, or just center it. Here conclude this tutorial.